What up, y'all? Welcome to Poor Man's Drinks, the hub to find high-quality cocktails at an inexpensive price. And today we're going to be doing 2-ingredient cocktails. Super duper simple. Let's get right on into it. All right, y'all. So this first one is called the Whiskey Highball, and sometimes it's referred to as a whiskey and ginger. Some people call it a 7 and 7. It's very similar. Obviously, that's going to be using Seagram 7 and 7 Up, so it's not really whiskey and ginger, but today we're going to be doing the whiskey and ginger. And I use the Canadian whiskey because I'm using the Canada Dry Ginger Ale. So yeah, let's do it. It's 2 ounces of your whiskey. All right, y'all, just fill that up with your ginger ale and you're good to go. All right, now you're good to go. All you gotta do is just give it a little stir. Add your lemon. Boom, guys, that's it. Let's see how it tastes. That's a solid drink. Something super duper easy to order at the bar. That ginger ale is gonna go really well with any whiskey that you got. You're gonna love this if you like ginger ale and if you like whiskey. So if you like that stuff, go for it. This is a nice go-to if there's like a, you know, not a cocktail menu at a bar, or just you're going to a sports bar and you don't wanna deal with anything. You just order that, go for it. You're gonna like it if you like it. I feel like this is a drink that if you think you're gonna like it, you're probably gonna like it. So go ahead and try this one out, guys. You can definitely do this with your ginger simple syrup as well. Add some soda water to that and add your whiskey, 2 ounces of whiskey, and play around with your simple syrup level. I have a detailed video showing you guys how to make ginger simple syrup. It's my very first video on the channel. It's very bad, but you know, I'm trying to get better. So check that out if y'all want to know how to make that one. Let's move on to the next drink. All right, y'all, up next we got the Godmother. And the Godmother is very similar to the Godfather. Godfather being 1 part amaretto, 1 part Scotch whiskey. The Godmother is 1 part amaretto, 1 part vodka. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Fill a rocks glass, an old-fashioned glass, with some ice, 1.5 ounces of your vodka. Then 1.5 ounces of your amaretto. All right, all the way up to the top. So like I said, equal parts, guys. You don't have to get super technical. You don't even have to measure. Just stir it up. All right, y'all, and there we go, the Godmother. I'm really excited to try this one. I never had either of the Godfather or the Godmother before. Very almondy smell on the nose, you know. So let's try it. Very sweet. Very sweet. Wow. Okay. I'm looking forward to trying the Godfather now, because I mean, really, what vodka is, you know, it's just like a neutral spirit. They call it a neutral spirit. It adds alcohol to the drink. Doesn't really add too much flavor whatsoever. So this really just tastes like amaretto. I mean, it's good. High proof amaretto, I guess, is how you describe that. You know, almondy, very, very sweet, even though it has been cut and diluted. I don't see myself drinking this too often, ever. I will be trying the Godfather next episode in volume 3, so look forward to it there. I'm pretty excited to try that one out. I gotta find a nice scotch that's suitable for the show, you know. But yeah, I mean, it is, if you know what amaretto tastes like, it just tastes like a high proof, high alcohol amaretto with ice. So let's move on. Okay, so this last one is the Dark and Stormy. Legally and technically, actually, it's not. The Dark and Stormy is a trademark name by the Gosling Dark Rum brand of rum. That they legally own the name of that. That's their drink. And I don't have any affiliation with that. I'm not even using the Gosling Dark Rum. So, for all intents and purposes, this is a ginger beer and rum. So, don't sue me, please. Let's get right into it. This is gonna be very simple, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some ginger beer. We're gonna open it up real quick. There are a lot of different ways to tackle this drink. Some people like to put the ginger beer first and float the dark rum on top. Some people like to throw some lime juice in there before they start going. Some people like to do a couple dashes of, or a couple drops of Angostura bitters. There's a lot of different ways to do it. Right here, I'm just gonna do a super duper simple one, and I'm gonna try to float it. Let's see what I can do. So I'm gonna try to do the 2 ounce pour on top of the ginger beer. Let's see if I give myself enough room. Never done this before, never tried a Dark and Stormy. The ginger beer is amazing, so sure I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna give myself enough headspace, headroom. Let's see if I can float 2 ounces of dark rum on there. All right, that's Dark and Stormy. That's cool. You got it. So obviously you would mix it up when the bartender gives it to you. But for, you know, presentation-wise, I think it's a nice looking drink. So I like this one. Very pretty. It looks like a dark storm, you know? All right, y'all, yeah, so let's try it. This is my very first time trying a Dark and Stormy. I'm super duper excited. Gonna take the lime off. Little swirl, stir. All right. Gotta bend it. Let's see how it tastes. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a good one, guys. Very crisp, refreshing, spicy with that ginger. That's some good quality ginger. If y'all can find that Fever Tree brand, I know this is poor man's drinks. Yes, it is $5 for 4 of them. Just like the Luxardo cherries, y'all. Yeah, the Luxardo cherries are $20 for a jar. They're the best. When it comes to quality, sometimes you gotta pay a little extra. If not, then do something else, you know? It's just how you're supposed to do it, you know? Yes, we're on a budget here. Doesn't mean that we're gonna be doing bad quality stuff, you know? So, y'all, try that one out if you do like it, if you do enjoy it. You'll know if you like ginger beer, if you like rum, you're gonna love that. So, there's also a couple different methods. Like I said, some people put some Angostura bitters, some people squeeze the lime, but this is 2 ingredient cocktails, you know, so I can't be cheating up in here. Y'all, give me a comment down below, give me a like. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. Yeah, give me comments, appreciate the comments. I'd love to see what y'all have to say. Give me a sub if you haven't subscribed already. Would really appreciate that. Almost at 40, so that's a big milestone for me. I've just got 300 total views, which is super duper cool. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut this one short. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe, and yeah, cheers, y'all. Cheers.